Is this table okay for you? Is this table okay for you?
Yes, it's perfect. I like sitting by the window. Yes, it's perfect. I like sitting by the window. Is this restaurant new? Is this restaurant new?
Yes, it opened just last month. Yes, it opened just last month. Have you been to this restaurant before? Have you been to this restaurant before?
Yes, I came here last month with my family. Yes, I came here last month with my family.
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please. I'll have a glass of water, please. Do you like the atmosphere here? Do you like the atmosphere here?
Yes, it's very cozy and comfortable. Yes, it's very cozy and comfortable.
What do you recommend from the menu? What do you recommend from the menu?
The grilled salmon is really excellent. The grilled salmon is really excellent. Do you want to share an appetizer? Do you want to share an appetizer?
Sure, that sounds like a good idea. Sure, that sounds like a good idea.
How spicy is the food here? How spicy is the food here?
It's not too spicy, but you can ask for extra spice. It's not too spicy, but you can ask for extra spice.
What are you going to order? What are you going to order?
I think I'll have the chicken salad. I think I'll have the chicken salad. Are you very hungry? Are you very hungry?
Yes, I didn't eat lunch today. Yes, I didn't eat lunch today.
Can we see the dessert menu? Can we see the dessert menu?
Sure, I'll ask the waiter to bring it. Sure, I'll ask the waiter to bring it.
How's your steak? How's your steak?
It's cooked perfectly, just how I like it. It's cooked perfectly, just how I like it. Is the pasta good here? Is the pasta good here?
Yes, it's delicious. I recommend the spaghetti. Yes, it's delicious. I recommend the spaghetti.
Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order?
Yes, I know what I want now. Yes, I know what I want now.
Could you pass the salt, please? Could you pass the salt, please?
Here you are. Would you like the pepper too? Here you are. Would you like the pepper too? Would you like to order wine? Would you like to order wine?
Yes, maybe a glass of red wine would be nice. Yes, maybe a glass of red wine would be nice.
Is the waiter coming? Is the waiter coming?
Yes, I see him walking toward our table. Yes, I see him walking toward our table.
Do they have vegetarian options? Do they have vegetarian options?
Yes, there are several on the second page. Yes, there are several on the second page. How is your meal? How is your meal?
It's very tasty. How about yours? It's very tasty. How about yours?
Is your food too hot? Is your food too hot?
No, it's just the right temperature. No, it's just the right temperature.
Would you like some of my fries? Would you like some of my fries?
Yes, thank you. They look crispy. Yes, thank you. They look crispy. Is this your first time here? Is this your first time here?
No, I've been here twice before. No, I've been here twice before.
Can I try a bite of your dish? Can I try a bite of your dish?
Of course. Please tell me how you like it. Of course. Please tell me how you like it.
What time do they close? What time do they close?
They close at 10 p.m. on weekdays. They close at 10 p.m. on weekdays. Do you want dessert after this? Do you want dessert after this?
Maybe a small piece of chocolate cake. Maybe a small piece of chocolate cake.
Is the music too loud for you? Is the music too loud for you?
No, it's fine. I can hear you clearly. No, it's fine. I can hear you clearly.
Have you tried their coffee? Have you tried their coffee?
Yes, their coffee is really good. Yes, their coffee is really good. Is the food worth the price? Is the food worth the price?
Yes. I think the quality justifies the cost. Yes. I think the quality justifies the cost.
Could you ask for more bread? Could you ask for more bread?
Sure. I'll signal the waiter when he passes by. Sure. I'll signal the waiter when he passes by.
Do you always eat dinner this late? Do you always eat dinner this late?
No. I usually eat around 6:30 in the evening. No. I usually eat around 6:30 in the evening. Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else?
Just a napkin, please. Just a napkin, please.
Can I taste your soup? Can I taste your soup?
Of course. It's tomato soup with basil. Of course. It's tomato soup with basil.
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
It's at the back past the kitchen. It's at the back past the kitchen.
Should we ask for the check? Should we ask for the check?
Yes, I think we're finished eating now. Yes, I think we're finished eating now. Is the chicken cooked well? Is the chicken cooked well?
Yes, it's perfectly done and very juicy. Yes, it's perfectly done and very juicy.
Should we order appetizers first? Should we order appetizers first?
That's a good idea. The bruschetta looks good. That's a good idea. The bruschetta looks good.
Do you know what the special is today? Do you know what the special is today?
The waiter said it's seafood pasta. The waiter said it's seafood pasta.
Is your water cold enough? Is your water cold enough?
Yes, it has plenty of ice in it. Yes, it has plenty of ice in it. How much should we tip? How much should we tip?
About 15% is standard. About 15% is standard.
Would you like to split the bill? Would you like to split the bill?
Sure, let's split it equally. Sure, let's split it equally.
Do you want to take the leftovers home? Do you want to take the leftovers home?
Yes, I'd like a box for my pasta. Yes, I'd like a box for my pasta.
Was the service good? Was the service good?
Yes, our server was very friendly and helpful. Yes, our server was very friendly and helpful.
Do you come here often? Do you come here often?
About once a month when I'm in this area. About once a month when I'm in this area.
What's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite restaurant?
I really like the Italian place downtown. I really like the Italian place downtown.
Is this your first time trying this dish? Is this your first time trying this dish?
Yes, and I'm happy I ordered it. Yes, and I'm happy I ordered it.
Are you still hungry? Are you still hungry?
No, I'm completely full now. No, I'm completely full now.
Shall we come back next week? Shall we come back next week?
That would be nice. I enjoyed the food. That would be nice. I enjoyed the food.
Did you enjoy the meal? Did you enjoy the meal?
Yes, everything was delicious. Yes, everything was delicious.
Would you recommend this place to friends? Would you recommend this place to friends?
Definitely. The food and service are excellent. Definitely. The food and service are excellent. Are you allergic to any foods? Are you allergic to any foods?
I'm only allergic to shellfish. I'm only allergic to shellfish.
Would you like to try a different restaurant next time? Would you like to try a different restaurant next time?
I'm open to that, but I really like this place. I'm open to that, but I really like this place.
Can you see the menu clearly? Can you see the menu clearly?
Yes, the lighting is good here. Yes, the lighting is good here.
Did you make a reservation? Did you make a reservation?
Yes, I called this morning to book our table. Yes, I called this morning to book our table.
Would you like to get coffee after dinner? Would you like to get coffee after dinner?
That sounds great. There's a cafe nearby. That sounds great. There's a cafe nearby.
Do they accept credit cards? Do they accept credit cards?
Yes, they take all major credit cards. Yes, they take all major credit cards.
Is the table wobbling? Is the table wobbling?
Just a little. I'll put this napkin under the leg. Just a little. I'll put this napkin under the leg.
Have you had their chocolate cake? Have you had their chocolate cake?
Yes, it's fantastic. Very rich and moist. Yes, it's fantastic. Very rich and moist.
What are you thinking about ordering? What are you thinking about ordering?
I'm deciding between the pasta and the fish. I'm deciding between the pasta and the fish.
Shall we ask for the bill now? Shall we ask for the bill now?
Yes, I think we're finished with our meal. Yes, I think we're finished with our meal.
Did you enjoy eating here? Did you enjoy eating here?
Yes, the food was great. Let's come again soon. Yes, the food was great. Let's come again soon.